Hello.
Hello.
Are we in the woods?
We are in the woods.
Which
Ben
is
Stedman.
Ben Stedman's woods, yeah, this one's called. It's a local wood to us.
There's some sun rays.
We normally see a squirrel or two, grey squirrels of course. Oops, he fell over. The woods go on for miles and miles. A month ago we had loads of mushrooms popping up in the, it's quite damp, but because you daren't eat them because you don't know anything about them. Oh, what was that? Is that a squirrel? Yep, there's a squirrel. It's just on the ground, right in the middle of the screen now, sitting 2 foot up a
tree.
yeah, 2 foot up a tree. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Once they see you, they scamper away like that. Okay. This is a lovely tree. Look at this, cut down tree, but it's covered in moss. Look at that. It has mushrooms, puffballs as well. They've puffed now, look, but hello, what's Sal doing? What's that? Oh, you're gonna have a go, are you? I think they're puffed. Oh no. Look at that. That's what is that?
I assume it's the seeds.
You don't want to breathe it. That's
No.
for sure. Oh look, there's some more. Are they puffballs? Give them a poke. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that was a good one. Well done.
Good.
And this little footpath takes us about 1.5 miles to Coffinswell, which is a small little village with its own church and pub, which takes us about an hour to walk there. I suppose strolling along as we are. I don't think we'll be going that far today. Might go as far as the quarry, which is coming to an end. We'll see. Oh, look at Sal, look. Getting stuck in there with the old autumn leaf kicking. There she goes. Yeah. That's good. Oh, look at the holly.
Oh, berries on it.
Oh yeah, what does that mean?
Well, I think it means
Cold
it's
winter?
going to be a hard winter.
Yeah, not down here though. Not in the south. We're lucky.
Sometimes we have snow.
The first serious snowstorm of the year, was it today? 16th, 17th of November? 18th. Is due in the next 24 hours from Scotland down to the Midlands. It's a nice moss covered oak tree, this is. Oak leaves. Ooh, nothing up there. I don't know if you can hear the rain, by the way, it's sort of spitting at the moment. Look at that, it's like lovely fur. Heavy on the north side, of course. Nothing much on the south side. It's bald, in fact. Hey, what do you mean? Just like, I'm not bald, I've got fine down. Spooked him, look. Here's a nice little bench we sit on sometimes, not today though. Down here, you can't go over it because it's not a good place to climb, as quicksand, but there's a quarry over here, a few hundred yards yet, and their overspill from their quarry workings when they're separating the sand and stone. The water gets pumped to a big lake, and the lake is over here, and it's usually browny colour because it's soil, but it's got all reeds growing in it. But what's that?
Little, what's it all the way up the tree?
Oh right, look at that. Huh.
Fungus.
Fungus, yeah.
No,
Mushroom. No, I don't know.
Or
Oh, very attractive. I don't know. Fun guy. He's a fun guy, just like me.
tree fun.
Yeah, so the quarry pumps all this water in and it sort of settles. But it's a little, there's quicksand there, and they warn you it's quicksand because obviously it's very soft stuff that they're pumping in. And the quarry itself has been there ever since I was small, but it's coming to an end now. It's only got a couple more years. They're on the final areas and they're landscaping. Eh? Oh yeah, it's a robin. Look. See if I can zoom. Is that the wrong pond? There he is. Look.
I think he's finished.
He's finished, yeah. Hopping about. Drying his feathers. There he goes. Yeah, so the quarry's got a couple of years left, and they're grading it all up now. They've taken in tons of soil and what have you. And oh, there he is again. He's in the tree. No singing today though.
Oh, there he is.
He must have eaten something. He's just wiping his beak.
So,
Let's see if I can. They're very territorial, robins. If another bird comes, they start. It sounds like a lovely song, but it's actually saying, "Clear off! This is my tree." Apparently. Look what Sal's just spotted. Give it some size. Put your hand next to it. It's seen better days. Somebody who's an expert will know what it is. It's a mushroom, isn't it? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. But it's coming to the end of its lifespan, I would think.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it is big. Size of my open hand. It's nice, well spotted. So we're coming up to the quarry now. This is also a public bridleway as well, which means what?
Horses.
Yeah, I mention it just in case. Actually, if you had a couple of coconuts, you could make a clip-clopping sound, couldn't you? Oh look, there goes a horse. I missed it. I knew it was you. They knew it was you. Actually, I could overdub a.
Hey, what's wrong with my horse?
Well, it's okay, but I could download a clip-clopping sound, galloping sound, like galloping horses. Yeah. So here, I'll point out some of the stuff in a minute. We're just coming up to the quarry. It's all fenced off, of course, because it was quite big, steep drops. Say warning. Deep excavation sign. It's not so deep now, not deep at all. Oh yeah, it's still deep, but they're filling it. They've brought in, I don't know, tons and tons, thousands, millions of tons of soil from places around. We'll go to the edge. Not a very good view today, I'm afraid, but there we go.
Not a lot going on down there.
No,
today.
sometimes there's diggers all moving. Yeah, lunchtime. But all this soil here, this was all, big drops, but it's all been brought in to make a sort of a hill. It's obvious it's carved out. Yeah, it's still.
Wall.
Yeah, that red wall is sand. It's all sand and stones. Those big stones there. I'll zoom in a bit. So they grade it out and they sell the sand. Well, but what's interesting is they piles of sand over there. Oh, it is interesting, Cliff. But they're all different coloured sands for different things, I suppose. There's a lake there they formed recently. They've put a wall around. Perhaps that's the new overflow lake. Perhaps the other one. No, it's still in use because you look over there. Look, those pipes are going through the trees to the lake, which we can't quite see. It's through there. It's quite large. So there's the view. Let me pan back a little bit. So we've got a bit of construction going on there, a new trading estate. Behind that is the new bypass. Well, it's 10 years old now, but it saved a lot of queuing. And the village over there in the mist is Abbots Kerswell. And down here is King's Kerswell. And what's a Kerswell? Oldie English?
I can't remember.
No. Well, I won't tell. I can't remember either. Anyway, yeah. So that's King's Kerswell. Countryside all around, and if it wasn't so misty, you see Dartmoor on the top. But not much going on. I mean, little boys love this sort of stuff, don't they? I do actually. I like looking at this stuff. Oh, you can see the lake a little bit here. Look, if I zoom again. There it is. Well, you can see the reeds, especially a bit of lakeage there. But they're grading all the sides, and in 2 or 3 years this will just be countryside again. whether they build down at the bottom or not, I don't know. It's because they're building. Oh, they're building over there. Look, the estate. Quite small. Where are we? Are we on there? I think we are. It's a dreadful day. So putting some houses up there, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom houses, I think. And they built some a couple of years ago on a small patch of land, just down there and around the corner. Yeah. So we turn around here and go back, or do you want to walk all the way to Coffinswell? We'll do the Coffinswell when it's sunny, because it's a lovely village. Is that all right by you?
Yeah, it's fine by me.
Okay. And we'll do a crazy thumbnail. I'll have to reverse it because you're the wrong side. No, that's not a crazy thumbnail. Look at the view and point or something.
Well,
Your other arm, I think.
yeah, how can it point?
Yeah, and look at the camera, because I'm going to do a crazy thumbnail. And pull oh, you are pulling a crazy... and I'll reverse it. So there's our thumbnail, right there, look. They'll all wonder what you're pointing at.
I don't know what I'm pointing
Well,
at.
look. Not much.
Not much.
We'll stop there, because we're only going to walk back. And we'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching. Cliff and Sal out and about. Sorry, darling. I'll come down a bit. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye.